They are trying to get the women. Yeah, the man wins. The man wins. They are trying to pull their wife. The man wins. The man wins. Here they are. This is how they clean their hands.
Like this?
Yeah. That is a Himba man at the holy fire, preparing his son for wedding to marry a lady from other houses. They are preparing his boy for getting married. This is a Himba man getting married. The Himba man is putting a mark on his boy that the boy is getting married with a knife behind his head. Okay, the boy is getting ready to go get his wife. The Himba boy is working with his best man. The man to marry is coming to get his wife, and they have to struggle to get his wife out of the house. So the ladies, they are blocking the house so that the men cannot get the lady out of the house. They have to block the door so that the women cannot go easily. That is a sign that there was a struggle so that they cannot get a wife easily when they are coming to marry. Yeah. Women are blocking the door so that men cannot get the lady to marry. They are struggling to get the women. They are trying their level best. Women are defending a lady, the men are defending a man. They are trying their level best to get that. They are trying their level best to get a woman. They have to defeat ladies so that they can get their women out.
I think
yeah, they have to grab that so that they can get that. They have to struggle enough so that they can get their men to get the women. Here is the man. Here is the man out here waiting for his best man to get the wife out of the house. They are trying to get the women. They are trying to get the woman out. They are trying to get the women out.
Oh, very interesting.
They are trying to get the women out. The married man is waiting outside. Yeah, now the man wins. The man wins. So yeah, the man wins. So they will get their wife. The man wins because they defeat the lady who was in blocking the door. The lady is there defeated. So the man wins. So yeah, the man wins. The man wins. The man wins. The man wins. Yeah, the man wins. The man wins. Yeah, the man wins. Yeah, the man wins. The man wins. They are trying to pull their wife. The man wins. The man wins. The man wins. They're getting married. Woman, she's waiting for the This is a lady who get married. Now they defeat. So the men wins. They get their wife. This is the best lady who is yeah. This is a married man. This is a married lady, and the friends next to them. Yeah, here they are. Here they are. Then after the struggle, they get their women. The friend here is not yet married. He have the thing on top here because he's not yet married. The married men look like this. The other one look like this, who is not yet married. Yeah, this is a sign of being not yet married. Himba ladies, they went to collect wood for cooking meat at home at a wedding event. So they are putting wood next to the slaughtered sheep so that people can go on cooking the meat. This is Himba traditional food. They are about to start to eat so that the visitors can go. They just want to eat with their visitors, so they are about to eat. Okay, the big men have to start. The big men have to start eating, so then the other people, they will start following. Okay, you can all start eating the meat now and the pap together. So people, they are not washing their hands when they are eating the meat, so they just go on eating the meat. Yeah, a man give the piece of meat to the wife just to show that he loves his wife. Like that, they are giving each other meat, showing that he loves his wife. Okay, the wife also the wife also give a piece again so that a man can eat as the sign of love. What we see here, there is Himba. They are rinsing their hand after they eat meat, so they are cleaning their hand through their leather shoes. This is how they clean their hands, removing the fat of the meat. And you see the Himba man there is also cleaning his hands over is done.